been watching my videos. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of my videos. In today's video, I will be showing you how I double my yarn. I use yeye wool. This is the wrap. I use yeye wool and it's 40 gram. Yes, it's 40 gram. So it's too tiny, it's too thin to be used without it being doubled. I'm going to show you how I double my yarn. Double my yarn, I take the outer part, the end outside, on the outer part. Then I look for the end inside by dipping my two fingers in the yarn. So this is the second end from the inside. Then I place it together this way. Then I make slip knots. Then chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. So that's how I double my yarn. Take the end from the outer part, take the second end from the inside, place it together, make sure it's equal, then start crocheting. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video.